Betel leaf is grown as cash crop. This plant has lots of health benefits too. More than 90 species of betel leaf are found all over the world. Betel leaf grow very well in high rainfall area, with tropical climate, and shady places. Direct sunlight may affect the growth of leaves. Betel leaf best grow in moist and humid condition, but doesn't need direct sunlight. The best season for planting betel leaf is October for open planting system, and monsoon is best season for close planting system. Betel leaf can grow best in sandy loam soils, and heavy clay loam soils. For best results and higher yield, mix organic compost in the soil. During the last tillage of the land, it is necessary to mix 200 kilograms of sesame cake, 40 kilograms of TSP, and 60 kilograms of MOP fertilizer per acre. 20 centimeters wide drain should be made at every 60 centimeters interval. Seedlings have to be planted in the high ground between the two drains. In betel leaf propagation, stem cuttings having 3 to 5 nodes are used, and these are planted in such a fashion that 2 to 3 nodes are buried in the soil. Plant one cutting 6 to 8 inches apart in each row. 100,000 to 125,000 cuttings are planted in 1 hectare, in closed rectangular planting system. 1 month after the plantation of betel leaf, young shoots begin appearing. These are trained along with the support, and tied with them using jute fiber or banana fiber, once every 2 to 3 weeks. The column cultivation method uses materials like PVC pipe, or cement pipe as support stands. It is mainly suited for the large-scale production of quality betel vines and leaves. Betel leaves need water, but they cannot tolerate waterlogging. Soil should have good drainage system. Give water time to time in other season, but in monsoon rain water is enough for the plants, and make sure a proper drainage system in monsoon. Soil should be sterilized thoroughly before planting the cuttings. If the soil is disinfected with 40% formalin or board mixture before planting, the risk of other soil-borne diseases including root rot is less. If seedlings are planted during monsoon season, betel leaf picking can be started after 5 to 6 months. Betel leaf takes 6 to 8 weeks to fully mature. Take a gap of 60 to 75 days before harvesting betel leaf. An average annual yield of a good betel plant is about 60 to 70 leaves per plant, and 6 to 7 billion leaves per hectare. For every percent of the land, sesame cake 20 kilograms, 2.5 kilograms SSP, 600 grams MOP, and 1.8 kilograms urea fertilizer should be applied in 4 split doses 4 times a year. Cow dung manure and sesame cake is the best fertilizer for betel plantations to grow organically.